Welcome back to Fab Reviews. Today we're unboxing the Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam with a little extra help from my little princess. I will follow up with another demo video soon, but we'll talk about what makes this product stand out and what to consider if you're thinking of getting one. As we unbox the Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam, we notice the sleek design and the premium feel of the materials. Let's go through the pros and cons based on user reviews and product specifications. We have always used a floor steamer and then drying the floor with cloths of a water vac, but it was too much to manage two machines with plenty of clothes, hence making it very time-consuming. But with this, it has changed our life. One device that steams, cleans and dries the floor. Starting with the pros, this model has iLoop smart sensor technology, optimizes cleaning by adjusting suction and water flow. High-temperature steam cleaning, effectively tackles tough, sticky messes. Dual tank system, allows for continuous cleaning without the need to change water frequently. Self-cleaning feature, conveniently cleans the brush roll, saving you time and effort. Extended cleaning range, thanks to a long cord, we can clean a couple of rooms with just one outlet plugged in. No recharging or extra battery cost, as this model is corded, which I prefer because it also steams, so I can use it as long as I want without worrying about the charging or battery degradation. And here are some cons to consider. Price. The cost might be higher compared to other models, which could be a deciding factor for some buyers. No edge cleaning. This model doesn't clean right up to the edges as some other vacuums might, but that is not that much of a big deal. Setting up the Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam is straightforward. You'll find the base and maintenance brush all included. Plug it in, fill the water tank, and you're ready to go. That wraps up our unboxing and initial impressions of the Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam. If you're looking for a high-performance steam cleaner with smart features, this could be a great addition to your home cleaning arsenal. You can order it today via the Amazon link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.